Good early morning here from Gdansk in Poland, where we settled the night in the awesome and beautiful old central part of the city. We're going to have a little coffee here on the Baltic Sea. Welcome to the Baltics, where the rain might just eventually catch up with you. And then later, the sunshine is back in half an hour. Anyway, we got some of this good stuff. People are asked to leave the bridge.
Uwaga, proszę opuścić ławkę.
I think it's a twister bridge.
Please leave the bridge. Bitte verlassen Sie die Brücke. Uwaga.
Looks like there's a schedule for the closing and opening of the bridge. You know, I always boast about the old Portuguese glory and their caravels, their magnificent ships that discovered the world. But apparently in Gdansk they had ships that could sail backwards. It's pretty impressive. Let's have a look. Oh wow. I don't know why, but I thought it would be a lot darker inside, but it's actually pretty light. Hello. One of the biggest and lightest and open places I've ever been to. The space is just completely wide open. But no, normally these kind of places, they're very dark, have a gloomy demeanor. Going into the tower. Hello. St. Mary's Basilica. Well, it has actually a very, very long name. I think this might go on for a bit.
480 steps? I don't know. Is it this one?
Well, luckily by now leg day is about 5-6 days ago. Oh wow, what's that? This is the attic of the church. It's like domes poured into a concrete mold. Achtung, uwaga. Uwaga indeed. Oh, you hear that sound? It's that Baltic wind. Yeah, ever since yesterday we've been getting some raging winds. I was tilted on the motorcycle. Here comes the wind. $400 steps here. Just a few more. This is like Everest. Nice. And this is all of Gdansk. Right, so the 400 steps back down. Well, that was an old architectural marvel there on the inside. You good? That's the exercise for today. I wonder if they build it like this with all the steps because of all the flooding, all the rain that falls here. And apparently a lot of the city center was destroyed right in World War II and then rebuilt in Polska, in Gdanska's old image with less German influences they wanted. Gdansk was center stage in history when it was still named Danzig and could be considered one of the main reasons that World War II kicked off. In the past, they tried to colonize this place. The Prussians would bring in Germans to live here, and at one point it became predominantly German, and the architecture reflected that. But when the city was in Polish hands, they didn't really like the idea of German architecture, the German influences, so they strive more for influences from Flanders, nowadays Belgium, and Free States of the Netherlands. And sometimes you can really see it, especially with these arches behind me here. Reminds me a lot of Antwerp. In certain parts, as Mariska said earlier, Amsterdam. And I thought it was also Prague-ish. So it's a bit of a mishmash of styles out here.
Fig leaf, is it?
Oh, it's not a fig leaf, it's the fishtail. What's the deal with Neptune and this covered up Willy?
Oh, they was that in 1988. They did a renovation.
Yeah. Must have been maybe quite a big Willy then. You know what I noticed now, and I don't know if I'm simply not seeing it, but for a touristy place like Gdansk, it is lacking a lot of like shiftier characters or potential like pickpocket looking people, or they're hiding well. I mean, nothing of someone approaching you and
Like the
offering
small
drugs,
town
offering drugs and all that. You know, like it is in Amsterdam, and even in Lisbon, man, it's so horrible nowadays. But Gdansk seems pretty chilled out in that regards, or maybe it's still not peak season, so that can change. But very, very clean, clean city, easy going city. We're at the end of the historic center here, but we want to go back to the water. And as you know, these are very popular. You see this often in the cities now with these scooters or bicycles, electric, these share rides. And it's the new way to get around quick. Let's hop on.
Do you have a beep beep?
Oh,
Do you have a beep
bump.
beep? Okay, you get
A
it.
bit here.
Dzień dobry bardzo.
Hello. Hello.
Pana, nie może pan przewozić pasażera na hulajnodze? Dokument proszę.
Only solo.
Jest.
Solo.
Dokument. W ten sposób stwarza pan zagrożenie dla siebie i innych. This is danger
Is it?
for you and everybody. I can punish you for that for 3,000 zł.
Oh
For
shit.
that what you do.
That's not nice. We can fly solo then. We need to get you on one too, I guess.
Very long name.
It is.
Oh my god.
You don't have to write it down, it's okay.
Yes, I have to.
Oh shit.
My job is like that.
I understand.
Yeah.
C'est la vie.
Print some money.
We done goofed, folks. It's about the price of a new driver's license, so
Okay.
here we go. The
Thank
price
you.
of a good time.
Yes, I need your sign
Where
here
about?
and press strong, please. And souvenir for you.
It's a very lovely souvenir.
Thank you very
It's
much.
life, it happens.
And I wish you a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Have you got the license, or where did it go?
You have
Oh.
it. I have.
Almost got me. Have a great day. Bye.
So, bye.
Well, we leave that one over there. Bye, Scooter. Like I said, you win some, you lose some. Told you, sign up for the app. We could have two. Huh?
Of course. There's women, eh?
Take your money. Want to get on your scooter? What's with the milk bar in Poland?
Oh, it used to be really good cheap meal. Just the simple, affordable stuff. But where's that price list?
Oh, it's all here. It's all here. It looks doesn't look too crazy. This is the place I was talking about that I wanted to try. Find a place where you can just eat like real Polish food. Here, this one's for you.
Thank you.
Oh, nice. These are the plates that they have, like a schnitzel. I'm down with this stroganoff. Hello. Dzień dobry. Stroganoff. Dua. Real Polish stroganoff. Nice. Eet smakelijk.
Smaakt nigga?
Hey, something like that, isn't it?
Like that.
Schmackniga. Something like that. Since we're getting fined now, left and right, we have to eat at the milk bar. Life is hard. Good though. Wow. Nice. Yeah, I used to have this sort of thing a lot on my way for Eastern Russia. But yeah, so this stroganoff here is about 12 zlotys, so that's about not even €3. Yeah. But you see the effort they put in here, restoring everything. Yeah, it reminds me heaps of of Lisbon. And with time, these cities just get cleaned up more and more and more. And in Lisbon too, you know, it's nice. I love that city. But, you know, with every refinement, every fine tuning, the cities, they become cleaner, more structures, more organized. In the end, sometimes a little bit too organized, a little bit too clean, but that's just part of the progress. But, you know, compared to how some of these major European cities used to be going back to the 90s or 80s, it is a great improvement. And as we cross once more the Mota, perfect pronunciation I know, here in Gdansk, the river that surrounds the city, there is once more the big old crane. It is the biggest medieval cargo mill in Europe, right here on the Mota.
Check this buddy out.
Who's your friend there?
Not too sure.
For anybody on motorcycles complaining sometimes, I don't want to adjust the valves. Imagine adjusting the valves on this puppy here. It's a big boy engine. This is the moment. We're on a Achtung, schnell, schnell. We're on one of those moving bridges. Get off the bridge. In the last 10 seconds, all it says, oh shit, let's go, get off the bridge. Let's get off the bridge, bro. Let's get off the bridge. Go, 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 go. If I understand correctly, this commemorates the fallen that defended Gdansk and the Polishness of Gdansk. Because, like I said, this city traded hands often over the hundreds and hundreds of years. World War II, it kind of started because of a big dispute between Germany and Poland. And in the end, after World War II ended, Poland was still occupied, but now by the Soviet Union, the satellite state under the heel of communism. At least that is how the people who ended up fleeing the country over the decennia after that experienced it. So until only recently, Poland has liberated itself completely from foreign influences. And there was actually a time when the country didn't even exist. By the end of the 18th century, during past conflicts, Poland would just get partitioned into smaller and smaller and smaller bits until it didn't exist anymore until after World War I again. So yeah, for over 100 years, 120, 130 years, Poland didn't exist. In the end, Poland came back. Poland survived with the long waiting game and emerged into what seems like a situation of permanence now. And it's here for everyone to enjoy. I still don't have to drop you off at home, right?
Maybe they have stamps.
All right, have a look.
I'll send them a postcard.
Yes, okay, send him a postcard. No stamps?
And stamps. The touristy.
I think you might have to send one of these to your parents that you won't be coming back yet. You can write a note?
I'll send it back to pigeons on the pigeons.
Come here, buddy. Hey, come here. We need you to do something. Can you fly to Nederland? A little bit of Gdansk, folks. Hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for some more action out there. Going further up into the Baltics. Take it easy out there. Ciao. Yeah, you still coming along?
Where are we going again? I'm still here.